Wallerawang, Australia. Located just over 2 hours from the heart of Sydney, the 1,000 megawatt Wallerawang Power Station opened in 1957 as one of the first large coal power plant stations in New South Wales, supplying power to Sydney. After ceasing operation in 2014, the site underwent decommissioning works for a number of years before our client, Greenspot, acquired the site with a view to repurposing the site into a sustainable eco-hub. Liberty Industrial was engaged as the principal contractor for the 2-year project. A preservation plan was created right from the start to protect several sensitive heritage structures located within and surrounding the Wallerawang Power Station site. These included an existing stack that remained from the original power station, a stone rail viaduct that crossed the Cox River, and the Church of St John the Evangelist that's been standing since 1880. The extensive demolition process began with a large scope of work ahead, including deconstruction of 2 59-metre boiler units, 2 177-metre tall stacks, precipitators, complete removal of all above and below ground coal handling plant conveyors, auxiliary bay, a 173-metre long hopper, 30,000 square metres of galbestos sheeting, and the complete removal of all equipment within many structures, including the large turbine hall, before demolition of the actual structures themselves. A fleet of over 20 customised machinery was deployed to complete this mammoth task. In addition to water trucks, dozers, articulated dump trucks and other vehicles, a total of 9 excavators were deployed, including a 120-tonne Hitachi excavator with 12-tonne concrete cracker, 200-tonne Hitachi high-reach excavator with high-reach shears, and the 230-tonne Liebherr excavator with shear attachments. After more than a year of continued progress, it was time for the twin stacks that towered over 177 metres high. Before continuing, Liberty Industrial underwent an extensive planning phase to develop the methods required to safely remove 16 asbestos-containing conduits located on the top of the stacks. To enable safe access to these conduits, in a bold display of innovation, Liberty Industrial embarked on a groundbreaking endeavour by procuring a cutting-edge custom scaffolding system designed to sit atop the stacks. After 2 postponed attempts due to unfavourable weather conditions, finally the scaffolding system was carefully and strategically erected with the deployment of a Bell 412 twin-engine helicopter. With meticulous planning and exceptional execution, the Liberty Asbestos team demonstrated their unparalleled proficiency by successfully removing all ACM materials. This remarkable accomplishment paved the way for the highly anticipated blast event.
Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5. Fire now.
Australia watched as the iconic twin stacks that had stood for almost 70 years disappeared from the skyline. Detailed post-blast inspections were carried out by independent engineers to confirm the heritage-listed structures surrounding the site had been successfully unaffected by the works. 47,485 tonnes of metal was processed, resulting in an astonishing 99% of site material being recycled, with only 1% of material going to landfill, enforcing our circular economy and sustainability values. With over 130,000 labour hours, the completed demolition of the power station stands as a significant achievement, marked by an unwavering commitment to safety without a single lost time incident, all while ensuring the preservation of the environment and the well-being of surrounding communities and heritage-listed structures. This feat stands as a testament to the meticulous planning, rigorous adherence to safety protocols, and the proficiency of the demolition team at Liberty Industrial.